Hello everyone, this is Christy. I went to Hobby Lobby and guess what? I found a lot of clearance items. I always like to look at dies and stamps and I found this stamp. Look how beautiful. And there is a frame up here and this word that says blessed and grateful. And then right here you can use this one and put it up here. And this stamp was $3.49 original and I found it at $1.74. There were a few more designs with the clearance price at 50% off. This is the only one that I got. Then right here is washi tape. There were a few designs and it was a $5.99 but it was reduced to $1.24. So it comes two washi tape. So I really like these colors and I just grabbed this one, but there were a few more colors to choose from. Then I went to the wax section where I can make my seals and I found this beautiful seal and this one was $4.49. It was reduced to $1.12 and I really liked it. Look, I'm gonna show you how it looks. Look, it's very beautiful and it's like about 1 inch. So it's going to make beautiful seals. Then I'm going to show you another one. I got this one that has a key and it looks like this. It has depth right here, so I love that one because then the seal is going to look more gorgeous. See? Then I found these wax sticks and this one you can use them with glue guns, the thick ones. And I have two big glue guns, so I didn't buy that. And it was a regular price. It was like $7. And this one, original, was $3.99 and I got it at 99 cents. So it was a good price. And it comes with 3 sticks of wax. And then I got it in black and in this color. Those were the only colors that they had on clearance. They had more colors, but it was a regular price. Then I got these wax beads and the original price was $5.49 and it was reduced to $1.37. And I love this color. Then I also found this stipple brush set and it comes to, look, I think this is for the stamping and it was $2.99 reduced to 74 cents. And then I found this one that says a brush cleaner and it was from $1.99 to 49 cents. And it's this one. I never tried this one, but I'll see if it helps to clean the brush. See, this is like silicone. I'm gonna check online how to use it. And then I got this one. It's a quilling tool and I have a lot of materials for making quilling. And it's always good to have an extra tool. So from $1.79 to 44 cents. And look, I love the color. And I found this transfer foil and from $2.99 to 74 cents. And I thought that this one is perfect for Christmas. And the size is almost 6 inches by 118 inches. Okay, it comes a lot of foil. So I can make cards or something with this transfer foil. See? And they only had these colors on clearance. Then I also found these cute paper clips. And these were from $3.49 to 87 cents. See? And they are cute when you give a notebook or something. And then you just place one of them. See? It's so cute. And I went to the paper aisle and I found a lot of paper pads on clearance, but I have a lot of paper. So I didn't need any of them and it was only with 50% off clearance, see? And I found this one, which is better because since I have lots of paper, I wanted to get this one for embellish those papers that I have. And for example, right here, this one is a kit. And it has a few stickers, papers, and embellishments. And this one is from the Paper Studio. The price is $6.99 and it was reduced to $1.74. So I thought this was a good price and it comes even with rhinestones and right here ephemera. And I'm gonna show you at the back. This is what you'll get. See? you'll get the stickers and the rhinestones, then all of this ephemera, and right here is the paper. So you can decorate a small mini album using this one, or if you have the papers that match this theme, you can use them as embellishments. See? And right here, I found this one. And this one was the same, 174. And this paper theme is like going to the mountains, camping. It can be for Christmas. As you can see, you have the stickers, ephemera, and the papers. See? Then I got this for my Christmas papers. And this one is 12 Days of Christmas. Same price, 174. And right here are the stickers, the ephemera, and the papers, and here are the embellishments. Let me show you here. See? And there were more designs, but I only got what I can use. And it was a lot in my store of these paper kits. Then right here, this one is family, and same price, 174. And it has all these stickers and the ephemera right here. And this is another set of stickers. You can see right here the colors of the paper. See? And then right here, you can see all of the stickers and all of the ephemera that it has. And the reason why I went to Hobby Lobby is because I wanted to get blanks, because I have new machines for heat press. And I'm very excited to show you the new machines, but I'm going to work very hard this week to finish the videos, and you will love them. So I'm gonna show you what I found, and it was good because it was on clearance, see? For example, the first thing that I got is this one that I can use even with sublimation or with vinyl, HTV. And it was this from $1.49 to 74 cents. And this is a little baggie for travelers, or when you go anywhere for camping, you can put your cell phone right here, your wallet or something, and it has this cord. And then this one right here, a small bag, same thing, for good for sublimation. And this one was from 99 cents to 49 cents. And I can iron on up here, see? Then I found this one, and this is a pot holder, and it was from $1.49 to 74 cents. And I can iron on up here, and this is how it looks in the other side. So I can grab something hot in here. And then I found this one, which is a tote, and this tote was $3.49, and I got it at $1.74. And this one has right here pockets, and it's the base is like this size, so it's not too small, see? And it was very nice, and I love this size, like for tools or maybe a project that I want to take, and can be good for any other thing, see? Then I found a set, and it's this one. I love it, and I like it because it was original $3.99 and reduced to $1.99. Look, this is an adult apron, and it looks like this with pockets right here, and this one is for a child, so you can make a mommy and me, okay, or mommy's helper or daddy's helper, and you can iron on something, see? So I'm going to make samples with this one for sure, and I'm gonna show you on my future videos. And I think this clearance is just starting. I don't know if by the next week some more items are going to be reduced, but just take a look, see? Visit your nearest store, you might find something that you really need. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.